In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lists in Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the list feature, how to create a list, and how to use it to manage tasks, assign work, set due dates, and keep track of progress, all without ever leaving Slack. Let's start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser. At the left side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation area with your channels and direct messages. Near the top, look for the plus icon, often labeled as Create. This is the same button you might already use to start a new message or create a channel. Click on that plus button, and from the menu that appears, choose List. This is how you open the List feature and start building a new list. Once you've selected List, Slack will open a new window or pane where you can set things up. Give your list a clear, descriptive title so everyone understands its purpose at a glance. For example, you might name it Marketing To Do, Sprint Tasks, or Onboarding Checklist. You can also add a short description if you want to explain how the list should be used. Now you're ready to create tasks. Each row or item in the list is essentially a task. Click into the first empty row and type a brief action-oriented task name, such as Draft Campaign Email or Update Project Timeline. Add as many tasks as you need. You can always come back later to edit or reorder them. Next, let's assign people to these tasks. In the column where you can choose an assignee, click and select a teammate from the list of members in your workspace. Assigning tasks makes ownership clear and helps everyone know who is responsible for what. If a task needs multiple people, check whether your Slack list view allows additional collaborators or use comments to tag others. You can also set due dates to keep things on schedule. In the due date column, click the date field and choose the appropriate deadline from the calendar. Try to pick realistic, specific dates so your team can prioritize effectively. As work progresses, use the status or progress column to keep everything up to date. Mark tasks as in progress, blocked, or done, depending on your setup. Encourage your team to update these statuses regularly so the list becomes a real-time snapshot of your project's health. That's all there is to it. By creating tasks, assigning people, setting due dates, and tracking progress, Slack lists can become a central hub for staying organized and aligned with your team.